Say good morning.
Good morning, skateboard!
So guys, good morning. Hello. Ngayon, lalabas muna kami ng mga bata. Kasi nakaka-boring dito pag
No, Alameda.
hindi ka lumabas.
Alameda, man. You wanna go skateboard?
So,
Skateboard?
gagala ko lang yung mga bata sa mall. Then, titingin lang ako ng mga sapatos or whatever.
Because there's people running.
This is Joseph and Veronica vlog.
Shout out kay Manny and Cassie.
Basura. Oh, come on, let's go inside the car. Let's go inside the car na. Oh, come. Come, baby. Kasi.
Yeah, I'm walking the wrong way. Excuse me!
Ay, kasi. Don't shout at ate, ha?
No, I said excuse me.
Okay.
They're going somewhere else.
So tulad ngayon, no, ang putik-putik ngayon dahil natutunaw na naman yung mga yelo. Pero kapag nag-snow na naman at tumaas na, no, bumaba na naman ang temperatura, syempre, mag-create na naman yan ng panibagong layer ng mga yelo. So, pag titignan yung makina ko, start ko sa umaga, yung start namin ng ganyan para painitin. Since sobrang lamig niyan, nagko-condense na yun yung malamig. Yung nilalagay namin ko sa heater. Pinasaksak namin to kasi meron siyang heater unit para stay lang warm yung makina niya the whole night. Sinasaksak namin siya dito sa parking outlet. Then meron siyang live power. So, para the whole night hindi siya mag-i-stop pag i-start mo sa umaga kahit frozen. That's not good. So guys, gagala muna kami ng mga bata. Titingin-tingin lang ako sa mall ng outlet store. Hi ate, morning. Ate, hindi naman ganun kalamig na ngayon. Actually malamig pero hindi na siya sobrang. Spray you off where? Sarado pa Nike yan eh. Pero 10 o'clock yan, di ba? So, titingin muna ako ng sapatos. Yan pa ako? Bakit?
Parang ang octopus.
Bakit? Sapatos lang naman yan eh. Sabi niya sa akin, masarap daw putulin ng paa ako. Kasi nga, bilid daw ako ng bilid sapatos.
Hurry up!
Hey!
Ew, ew, ew. Got a chain. Hey, I'm riding it.
Okay, di naman kayo lumayo bro eh.
Don't bump into people.
Yeah, that's
Galing magmotor eh oh.
Not in that. Not in the class.
Busy oh. Busy sa transaction niya. Yung mga bata. Hello.
Hello.
Say hi to Lola.
Hi.
Hi Kuya William and hi Tita Nanette. And hi Ate
When Burger
Lenny.
King.
Hi Ate Lenny.
Hi, Ate Lenny.
Sige, kain muna kayo.
Extra French fries.
Okay, malamig sa labas, may yelo. May yelo.
And
So, maaga akong umuwi sa work. Magsusundo lang kami ng mga bata. Dito si Mrs. Ang ano, sundo na natin yung mga bata. Mommy, we didn't leave mommy, right? Did we? I just took you from school. Merly, right? How are you? Look at your face. Pulang-pula. Ay, tara na. Tara na.
Daddy, tonight we have a winter concert inside the
So
school.
you'll have a winter concert inside the school?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go na. Shh. You're crazy. Crazy ka na naman ha. Para ka na naman crazy girl ha. O tara na. Abisan nyo na. Maga akong umuwi dahil... Come on.
Everything seems normal down on Atienza farm. But when the farmer isn't looking, something silly's going on. It happens in the winter when it starts to snow. The animals will tell you what the farmer doesn't know. We are the cows, and we like to say we stay warm in the winter with a thicker hairdo. When the snow comes down, we like to have some fun. So we open our mouths and snowflakes on our tongues. When the farmer isn't looking, we catch snowflakes on our tongues. We are the horses. We are the chickens, and we love to shake our feathers. We cluck in our coop during cold winter weather.
Ilalim. Patadyakan ko na lang ako na bala dyan. So I think we're gonna be moving to another school again, you know?
Moving, but I like my best friend River.
Well, we have no choice, baby. You know, you can visit River at some point, right? You gonna miss River?
Yeah.
Can I meet River at some point?
Madison, do you see River?
Yeah.
But you can meet her when it's her birthday.
Oh, when it's her birthday, okay.
Yeah, I don't know when
Is
it's.
she a girl?
Yeah.
Madison, see
That's good.
this on the window.
What?
I wrote-